BabyDoll, Dominic, Fike. First chord is D minor. You're gonna play it in the bar chord version. 5th fret, 7, 7, 6, 5th. Second chord is A major. F shape, just bring it out. Second chord is G minor, F shape, bring it to 3rd and just take out the middle finger. Okay, this chord is in the G minor pentatonic scale. Strumming pattern, which is the tough part. I'm not even gonna go into it because it's just a feel. You're gonna get it eventually. The chord progression goes D, A. So D, A, D, A, and then G, G. That's it. I'm giving away this speaker exactly like this one, the Marshall MS2. When I hit 250 subscribers, free shipping. I'm just gonna buy one of these and just send them your way. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys. See you later.